Chips and guacamole. Chips. 8 6-inch corn tortillas cooking spray on/2 teaspoons salt 1/2 teaspoon chipotle chili powder such as McCormick guacamole. To prepare chips, cut each tortilla into 8 wedges. Arrange tortilla wedges in a single layer on 2 baking sheets coated with cooking spray. Sprinkle wedges with 1/2 teaspoons salt and chili powder. Lightly coat wedges with cooking spray. Bake at 375 deg for 12 minutes or until wedges are crisp and lightly browned. Cool 10 minutes. Crispy tacos. Crispy tacos. Corn salad. Burrito. Burrito. Burrito bowl. Burrito bowl.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.